Understanding Inspect the Premises, a guide to English language learning. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound formal at first but is quite common in everyday language. Inspect the premises. Stick around as we break it down for you, exploring its meaning, usage, and context. Whether you're here to enhance your English vocabulary or simply curious about the phrase, you're in the right place. The phrase, inspect the premises, refers to the act of examining or looking over a place carefully and thoroughly. When someone inspects the premises, they are checking the condition of the place, searching for something specific, or ensuring that everything is in order. The word inspect implies a detailed and careful examination, while premises refers to buildings and the land they are on. Together, they convey a sense of thoroughness and purpose in the examination. Inspect the premises can be used in various contexts, from formal to informal situations. Here are some common scenarios where you might encounter this phrase. Legal and law enforcement. Police or investigators might inspect the premises during an investigation. Real estate and property management. Before buying or renting a property, potential buyers or renters may want to inspect the premises. Workplace safety. Companies may conduct regular inspections of their premises to ensure a safe working environment. When using this phrase, it often suggests a level of authority or responsibility. For example, the fire marshal will inspect the premises for fire hazards. To help solidify your understanding, let's go through a few examples. 1. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're looking to rent a new apartment. During your visit, you decide to carefully examine every room, checking for any damages or issues. You could say, I need to inspect the premises before making any decisions. 2. Exercise. Think of a situation where you might need to inspect the premises. It could be related to your home, workplace, or any public place. Describe what you would look for and why. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to inspect the premises, and how you can use this phrase in different contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly improve your English comprehension and communication skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.